Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing hair growth and skincare oil that you can apply every week for fast hair growth and glowing skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. So I'll be starting with 3 carrots. I will go ahead and remove the unwanted parts using my knife. Please note that I'm not scraping the back cause most of the nutrients are embedded on the skin, so there is no need for that. Carrot oil benefits includes skin lightening, it reduces stretch marks. Carrot oil promotes faster hair growth. It can be combined with butters like shea butter, avocado butter, mango butter to benefit the hair. Please note that before now, I already washed my carrots with salt to eliminate impurities before doing this. For the fact that you put this on your skin, you have to make sure that these carrots are well cleaned and washed to avoid skin issues. Using the tiniest holes on my grater, I'm going to grate my carrots into the smallest chunks. Carrot oil preparation at home is an easy DIY recipe that needs just 2 ingredients. This recipe employs simple steps that won't alter the nutrients in the carrots. So after grating, here is how beautiful this looks. So beautiful, and the color is amazing. Grab a jar free of moisture like so. Please ensure that the jar is well sterilized because you'll be putting this on your skin. Using 250 ml cup, measure out 1 cup of olive oil into the jar. Next, transfer the grated carrots into the jar. So after that, stir to combine all the ingredients. Next, Set up a DIY double boiler method by placing a pan or pot with about 2 cups of water on medium to low heat. Allow the water to boil and then place your jar containing the carrot mixture in it. Stand by the water bath and stir continuously for 10 minutes. Do not cover the pot or the jar to avoid water from penetrating into the oil. Once it's 10 minutes time, turn off the heat and bring down the jar and allow to cool completely. Allow the water in the pot to cool down as well as the content of the jar. Once the oil is cooled down, keep in a warm, dark place for 2 weeks. Ensure you shake the oil every day if you can for a period of 2 weeks. Always shake the oil daily and do not open or stir the content. Make sure to use an airtight container for this to avoid spill. After 2 weeks mark, sieve to get your oil and use in your lotions or just use as body serum and also on your hair daily for thicker hair. This oil is really amazing and I promise you won't regret having it around or in your stash. And that's all for today's video, guys. Please drop your questions in the comments below and I will do well to answer all of you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please thumbs up this video if you do love it so we can reach more audience. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Bye.